Welcome to Purposefully AI. Today, we're diving into how to make money building simple AI automations for small businesses. This is your path to simple systems and real income. Small businesses waste up to 20 hours every week answering repetitive questions, scheduling appointments, and sending marketing emails. Now imagine AI handling those tasks automatically. Most of the work small business owners do is repetitive. Customer messages, appointment scheduling, marketing emails, all tasks I can easily automate. What if you got paid to set up these AI solutions? Today, I'm showing you how to build simple automations for small businesses, even if you are starting from zero experience. Most small businesses are incredibly busy, but also incredibly under-automated. This creates a huge opportunity for you. Business owners spend hours on tasks like responding to customers or writing marketing emails. These are tasks that I can automate easily, but most owners don't know where to start. You can charge businesses to install simple automation systems using AI tools. Many freelancers already charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 for a single setup, and the best part is, you don't need coding. You just need the right tools. Let's talk about the 3 essential tools you can start using today. The first tool is ChatGPT. It can generate content businesses constantly need, like marketing emails, customer replies, social media captions, and product descriptions instantly. The second tool is Zapier, which connects different apps together. Think of it like automation glue. It allows systems to talk to each other without human intervention. The third type of tool is content assistants, like Notion AI or Google Docs AI. These tools automatically generate blog posts, reports, marketing copy, and internal documents, saving businesses valuable time. Now let's look at a simple example of an automation you could sell to a local business, like a dentist office. Imagine a system where a customer message arrives, AI reads it, ChatGPT generates a reply, and the response is automatically sent back. This handles questions like, do you accept my insurance? Or, what are your hours? This automation saves the business hours every single week, and time savings equals money. That's why businesses are willing to pay someone to build these systems. So where do you find businesses that need this kind of help? The first place is Fiverr. Create a gig that says something simple like, I will build AI automation for your business. Businesses are actively searching for these services. The second place is local businesses. Use Google Maps to search for salons, gyms, or dentists. Then send a simple message offering a quick demo on how you can automate their customer messages and marketing with AI. The third place is Upwork. Search for projects involving automation, AI assistance, or Zapier workflows. New opportunities are posted every single day. Now let's talk about pricing your new AI automation services. When you're starting out, keep it simple. A basic automation setup might cost between $100 and $300, while more complex workflows can range up to $1,000. Some clients will pay monthly maintenance fees between $50 and $200, meaning even one client can become a source of recurring income for you. AI adoption is exploding, and this massive opportunity is waiting for people willing to learn these simple tools. Download the AI Money Starter Kit below for a step-by-step guide to starting your first AI side hustle. And subscribe for more ways to build income with AI. Thanks for watching.